You probably have things that you need to do today, right? I think most people have a pretty long to-do list, and hey, clock's always ticking. There's never enough hours in the day. You hear people say that a lot, right? This course is designed for busy entrepreneurs and business owners who are looking to achieve more with less time, looking to feel more confident about where they're spending their time, focus, and energy, and just really having a better sense of accomplishment with everything that you can get done in a day or a week or a month. Here's how we're going to do that. We're going to start by talking about your perception and mindset about time, how we experience it, and about your task list. We're going to talk about efficiency, how you can, again, do more with less. A lot of that comes from focusing your efforts. Most important thing is goals. What are the reasons for why you want to accomplish the things on that list? We're going to talk about how to go through that and really uncover what you're trying to accomplish. Managing your task list is the next step, and we'll talk about ways to do that effectively. And a lot of that involves scheduling, figuring out, okay, hey, here's all the things that need to happen. Let's plug it in, see how it's going to work in a practical way. For most of the sections, there'll be a recommended resource. So if you'd like to dive in a little deeper into that particular topic, you'll have somewhere to go next. Like any framework or process, it's not some magical solution. You actually have to give it a try and apply it and work with the concepts and actually use them in your daily life. Like any habit or change, it'll take some time for you to really find your groove and figure out what works best for you, but you'll get there. We also include some quick actions that'll help you start saving time right away.